Hey everyone! If you've inherited a home in Houston and you're feeling overwhelmed about selling it, you're not alone. I get it. The process can seem daunting, but stick around, because I'm going to break it down for you in a simple way. First off, let's talk about the benefits of selling an inherited home. The property market in Houston is hot right now, and you could potentially make a great profit. Plus, selling means you don't have to worry about managing an extra property, paying taxes, or handling maintenance. Now, on to the how. Start by getting a professional appraisal to understand the true value of the home. This step is crucial because it sets the right expectations and helps you price the property competitively. Next, decide whether you want to sell it yourself or hire a real estate agent. If you're up for it, selling by owner can save you some money, but hiring an agent can take a lot of the stress off your shoulders. Agents bring expertise, handle marketing, and negotiate on your behalf. Another key point: take care of any necessary repairs or updates before listing the home. A little investment here can significantly boost your selling price and attract more buyers. And here's a pro tip: consider staging the home. Staged homes sell faster and for higher prices because they help buyers visualize living there. Finally, be prepared for offers and negotiations. Stay calm and work with your agent to review each offer carefully. Remember, it's okay to counteroffer or even decline offers that don't meet your expectations. Selling an inherited home doesn't have to be a headache. With the right steps, you can make it a smooth process and walk away with a great deal. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Catch you later.